What's good, YouTube? This is your boy MPL speaking and back with another banger video. Let's kill it, guys. So today I'm going to do a market review on NASDAQ for the week. So I hope you like the video and let's get to it. So it's just going to be short and brief, guys. So yeah, I do apologize about not uploading videos. I've been busy with my personal life and growing my personal account and doing funded account challenges, but with time I will be uploading those videos and sharing my journey with you. But for now, I'm going to share you guys a market review because I've seen some people got wrecked yesterday and on Monday. I don't even know why you guys trade on a Monday, because Mondays is just like a ranging day most of the times. Not saying that it happens, but it's one of those days people should really try to avoid, because, like, for example, if we are like bullish on the weekly, the market tends to go create the low of the week, like the manipulation phase and then distribution phase. Like if we are bearish on the weekly, obviously the market will try and go create the high of the week, the manipulation phase, and then distribution going to the downside. Like it's all about ICT concept. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. It happens every fucking time. So yeah, let's get on to it. So as you can see, we go on the monthly time frame. We are completely bullish. Low, high, 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 low, high, high. Low, 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 high. Low, 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 high. Low, low, high, high, high. Sorry. High, low, high, high. Now we are on the all-time high, 18,000. So this was actually resistance, then into support. So we are waiting for a nice pullback here. So this is just to show you that this is just for me to get the overall direction of the market. So I'll just be looking for buys only, like honestly, like. So yeah, I don't know when the pullback will happen, so we'll just have to go with the trend. So yeah. So on the weekly time frame, we are bullish. High, high, low, high, low, high, low. So yeah, if you guys, it's so easy. So I'm not gonna explain this. This is a complete uptrend, bullish. It's so obvious. We're going up. We're not going down. So I don't get guys who are selling in a bullish market. Like I really do not get that shit. Like why would you try and lose more money out of the market? Alright, as you can see on the weekly time frame, we try to anticipate the buys for the week. So what I do is I try to draw up my the opening price for the weekly, the open to close. This is the previous week. So the buyers try to push price, but now we are actually going through a manipulation phase now. So open, close, this is open. So let me just try to draw up the opening. Mark this yellow. So yeah. So if we know we are bullish, the market tends to go create a low of the week. So yeah. Right. So my bias overall for the week is bullish, but there's also a short-term bias, which is sellers, like the people that sold here. So I'm not interested in that. That's short-term. I'm looking for the overall bias, because if I'm anticipating, like from Monday when I did my market analysis for the week, I did anticipate for price to actually do pullback. Like I just want price to go create the low of the week, and then I did anticipate buys continuing going to like 18,600. So yeah, let's go to the daily. Quick. Short term bias on the daily. We are completely bullish also. It's quite easy. High, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, guys. if we for the sellers that are trying to say that the market is actually selling right now, if it's going to be like change of nature, we have to wait for all this to break like here, then we have to wait for something like this, and then yeah, that I can only confirm if something like this happens, then I can say we are bearish. But guys, overall we are bullish. Until we see something like this, yeah, the market must close under this candle. Then yeah. But now, why are you guys focusing on sales? I mean, this is just short term. For the if you want to scalp or intraday, yeah, you can do so, but I wouldn't recommend it. I mean, the trend is your friend, so just trade with the trend. All right, right. If we measure the, sorry about that. If we take our Fibonacci measure from this low to this high, ah, we always buy at the discount area below 50%, so the market is not back to our optimal entry, and this is where I like to buy at 61.80. As you can see, we haven't reached it, and we are on the 4 hour right now. So as you can see, this is the zone. We do have a fair value gap. There you go. I'll make it green. All right. From the zone, now the market is doing a pullback. Right, relative equal lows here, guys. Make this. What do we have here? We do have a breaker here. Yep, that's it. Just mark this. And we do also have a fair value gap where I see price. Wanna see a rejection here going to the downside. Keep in mind we do have news today, and also Jerome Powell testifying at 5 o'clock. So keep that in mind. Yeah, so this is actually where I'll be looking to enter buys going to the upside. This is where my targets are. There you go. Yeah, so keep in mind, guys, if we see price coming to take out all this sell side liquidity, the market will draw to take out those guys who bought earlier. And yeah, this is just a trap, guys. Keep in mind, draw on liquidity there. There is money resting below there. So just focus your liquidity there. So yeah. So we anticipate buy. So when price reach this fair value gap, so we have to see if price is actually respecting this fair value gap, and we have to see some rejection or the body close in this fair value gap, then we can look for buys. And I always trade with the 1 hour and the 30-minute, but I'll always go with the higher time frame buys, like the overall picture. The bigger picture tells where the market is going. So yeah, so you must also anticipate if it's likely to test the midpoint of this fair value gap. You just measure it with your fib retracement from this low to this high. Yeah, it can just be a wick, but the body can just come back and close, because as I trade with ICT model 2022, like that's just my model I trade with. Like I look for liquidity, imbalances, and rebalance. So always anticipate wicks. Wicks do damage, but it may test this and then close above, and then the market can just shoot up. So just be on the lookout for that. Be on the lookout for wicks, guys. They just do damage, but the body tells the story of what's happening here. So I don't need to tell you guys, but yeah. Anyways, on the 4 hour. Alright, let's go to the 1 hour. Yeah, this is so obvious. Please note that on your chart. New York time is like at 8:30 there. So let's mark this up. Yeah, let's see. I'm just gonna be brief. Yep. It's my midnight opening, so I'm just trying to mark that, guys. So we haven't really tested out. I did not see a form of manipulation because if we are bullish, we need to buy below the midnight opening. But this is just indicating that this is a short-term bias for sellers. So bearish, the market tries to create a manipulation above, so we sell high above the manipulation phase. And if we see it respects the breaker and this fair value gap going to the downside, then yeah, you can look for sales if you want. But I'm just waiting for that perfect opportunity to buy here. So yeah, so you have to see if the market respects that, and then you have to see a short-term low being taken out, fair value gap between the displacement high and displacement low. So yeah, ICT mentorship 2022 is my model, guys. I need like 3 or 4 confirmations. So yeah, so on this one I will just see how price respects that, and also we also have an imbalance here, now volume imbalance, but honestly, yeah. All right, let me see. 61. What am I doing? Let me just get the overall trend. Yeah, so you can see we are going back to the 50% retracement. So yeah, let me just see something. I do see also liquidity being swapped. Liquidity swapped here, and then a short-term high taken out and a fair value gap. Market just shot up. So if I see something like this during New York session, market comes back and respects the 61, and price closes above this breaker and this fair value gap, then I'll look to enter buys above, because we treat this as an inversion. If price goes above this fair value gap, you can treat it as an inversion, like a support, and then we look for buys, and then stop loss below this breaker, and then we look for price going to the upside. So keep in mind this can happen, but the thing is why I'm confident that it will come back here, because we did not reach the discount area, below 50%. So yeah, so yeah, just keep that in mind. We need to take out this first day's low here. So yeah, that's my take on NASDAQ. So you can see we're about to reach the fair gap, and yeah, so for the sellers, price just below here, all this candlestick, and then you target this a nice risk to reward, risking 60 pips, but you just have to see how price behaves. 15 minutes. So there's usually news today. There's ADP, non-employment. So 8:30, you have to anticipate what price will do, and yeah, so something like that. So yeah, that's it for my NASDAQ. During New York session, I will see what price does, but that's actually my take. For price to actually reach here, or yeah, week here, but yeah. So yeah, that's it. Hope you liked the video. Please do subscribe and like if you really did enjoy this market review. I will try my best to be releasing videos every 2 weeks. And yeah, and don't worry about my journey on my personal account and funded account challenges. I will be uploading them soon. So yeah, for now I just wanted to do a market breakdown on NASDAQ, because I do see a good risk to reward for NASDAQ. Um, yep, risking 200 p. But yeah, we'll see, something like that. But yeah, anyways, please do subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.